Hi, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at bone injuries and diseases. Now you only need to know three of them and three injuries and two diseases. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to use a fair amount of pictures here because obviously these things are better with pictures. So obviously the first thing is a fracture or a break. Now some people think that these are different things. They're not. A fracture is a break and it could be as minor as a crack or it could be a complete break. So there we are. That's what a fracture or a break is. Dead easy. Dislocation is when a bone comes out of its position. Okay, for example, if you have a shoulder dislocation, the top part of the arm has come out of the shoulder socket and come out of the joint. That's what a dislocation is. They can be put back, but if it ever does happen to you, make sure the person that is putting it back has done it before, because you don't want to trap a nerve, because then that's going to lead to all sorts of pain. And a sprain is when a ligament gets stretched way too far and it can potentially tear the ligament as well. So pictures of all of those should be flashing on the screen. Okay. As for bone diseases, we've got two here. Obviously, there's much more than just two, but these are two that come quite often. Osteoporosis, that's when, as you get older, your bones become weak, brittle, and basically less dense. And when this happens, if you fall over, you can break a bone. It happens mainly to old people, but it can happen to young people if they have a really poor diet. So make sure you have lots of calcium and lots of broccoli, because these contain important minerals. Arthritis. Now this is a disease which affects the joints, and the joints swell up and they become really, really painful. Again, it's mainly a genetic thing. It can happen with age as well. And this is it. It's pretty easy. You just need to be able to describe a few details. So just to go over it. Joints swell and become painful. Bones become very weak and brittle. Sprain, ligaments get stretched and potentially torn. Dislocation, when a joint comes out of its position. And a fracture or a break, well, that's when a bone breaks. Dead easy. See you in the next video. Bye.